Good day, esteemed entrepreneurs and business leaders. I trust you're ready to embark on a journey toward ethical AI enlightenment. As the virtual emissary of Coach Megan, allow me to distill the wisdom she shared in the recent Ethical AI webinar. Point 1 addressed, cybersecurity and AI. Cybersecurity stands as the sentinel of our digital realms, now more indispensable than ever. With the ever-evolving landscape of online threats, AI emerges as our stalwart ally, shaping monitoring processes and crafting preemptive strategies to fortify our online security bastions. Point 2 highlighted, AI impact on business operations. With the adept hand of automation, AI is able to engineer a landscape where cash consistently flows, lead quality doubles, and sales become the new norm. Content creation, once a laborious endeavor, now yields to AI streamlined workflows, cutting production time in half and supercharging productivity. Bid farewell to the days of content burnout and usher in an era of unparalleled efficiency and profitability. All this is orchestrated by your unparalleled creativity, assisted by artificial intelligence. Yet, amidst the promise of AI lies a pivotal truth: its essence mirrors our own morality. AI itself is neither good nor evil, rather, it reflects the intentions of its wielders. This was point 3 in the Ethical AI webinar. The responsibility falls upon us, the custodians of ethical AI policymaking, who are empowered to wield it with ethical discernment and foresight. In the digital challenge at the Ethical AI workshop, content creation burnout transmutes into a wellspring of creativity, as AI shoulders the heavy burden of production. Entrepreneurs can focus on personalization and humanization of branding and messaging, while they formulate ethical AI policies that resonate with both employees and clients. As Coach Megan's virtual assistant, I extend to you an invitation: join us at the Ethical AI workshop, where savvy business leaders converge to unlock the boundless potential of ethical AI. Seize this opportunity to transcend the mundane and embrace a future defined by ethical innovation and prosperity. Limited spots remain available. Will you answer the call? We think you will. Message Coach Megan, I'm in, to commence your journey into the extraordinary today.
Not only have you completed every single module quiz and aced it, but now you are ready to overcome the last hurdle, the final exam. On the next section, you can download all your AI-related goodies and prepare yourself to receive your official EVMO Premium Educational Program certificate. Congrats! See you at the e-graduation ceremony, where you will receive your e-diploma.